going up? Go to the top. Drop down. Drop down.
You got it. Just keep going. Just go ahead. Go. Take your time, okay? Remember, the harness is going to protect you. Go. Don't get it stuck up there. Go. Good job, Lou! Welcome back to our channel, JK and Counting. I'm Krystal. We are currently spending a birthday with the kids' homeschool friends at Hapic, if that's how you say it. And they are enjoying themselves. Lucas is having a ball, but Millie and Nash are scared of heights, I guess. Even though they do crazy stuff in the park, climbing everything. But they are just excited still to be here.
I was very nervous at first when we were told about it. But then I got excited, but then nervous again. And now I'm back to excited because I'm scared of heights. Mom, it's time to fall. Are you set?
How do you feel?
Fine.
Want to tell the vlog?
Hi, fine. I am excited.
Why are you so cheesy?
Happy birthday to you, cha cha cha. Happy birthday to you, cha cha cha. Happy birthday, dear Riley.
It's Riley's birthday. We made it to their house
You don't want it at
and
all?
we just ate pizza.
You're so picky.
And now they're eating cake. I gotta go get our cupcakes for the kids because obviously they're not vegan. So yeah, this is nice. Thank you. Thank you. Your food looks good. It looks all crispy and everything.
Thank you.
Thank you. At home, I try to save all, not all.
Mommy, you got this.
I wouldn't have on these pants if the world wasn't.
Not just on.
I was out.
Do not jump. I said step down. The girl went and jumped.
He left that kid for dead.
No.
He left that kid for
That
dead.
kid said I want to go home.
You gotta climb over
Yeah, you gotta.
and then be careful because there's poop over there.
No, you can step right there.
So,
And don't step in this puddle because it's so deep.
yeah,
Your whole sock
Yeah.
gets
yeah. We didn't have one on.
For the heads up.
Yeah.
He did.
Yeah, just
We,
step on this right here.
but we went that way because it's more shallow, and then we watched out for the poop, and then we came over here.
Yeah, you can step right
and
there.
climbed up. And then we walked.
Yeah, you don't have to, but
Oh, fully committed.
he made us come this way with our rain boots on. Egg.
That's the extra part.
Yeah.
But also, why do they have these things? Is this for pigeons?
No, I think from cars coming through.
No, I mean the pointy.
Oh, I don't
Not
know.
necessary.
Yeah.
What's up,
Everybody's scaling that thing like us.
buddy? What's up?
Okay, so the next day after Riley's birthday, me and her mom, Lauren, went out to eat and to have a mom date and to talk. And it was truly a great experience just getting away and having a long time without the kids because she's also a homeschool mom. We went to Toast, which is in Long Beach, and they had vegan options, and it literally reminded me of diner food but better. It's something that I've been telling Jeffrey that I really wanted, like a good diner food, but obviously vegan. And I'm so happy that we found it. We would need a car if we were ever to go out there. However, the LIRR, there's a stop right across the street from it. So if ever we decide to hop on that LIRR, we will be heading there. The waiter was really nice and helpful, and the coffee was so good. I got the sausage with just egg, corn, Brussels sprouts, home fries in a quesadilla, and then I got a oat latte, and the oat latte was really good. It didn't have any sugar in it because I've been drinking my coffee without sugar now for about maybe a month and a half, I feel like, because I was slowly weaning off of it. And yeah, it was really good. But now we were going for a walk, but as you know, our walks always end up to the grocery store. But honestly, we didn't plan on going to the grocery store. I looked this morning on the weather app just to see like the weather for today, and they said there's going to be a blizzard tomorrow. Like what? And for some reason I feel like this one is going to be worse than the last one because I was hearing about that blizzard all week, like before it happened. But this one, I didn't hear anything of it. So I'm just like, what's happening here? Let's just go pick up a few things just to be safe. And then also, this week is my birthday, so I don't want us to have to go to the grocery store again before my birthday, since it's gonna be a rainy week as well. Girl was going through it. The kids are at the park with Jeffrey, and I decided to come here by myself because I had a feeling it was going to be packed in there because of the traffic that we saw 2 blocks ahead. So it's a good thing that I did because it was packed.
Okay. You can take that.